G'day everybody, welcome back to the channel. Well, I'm home. I survived the StereoNet Melbourne Hi-Fi show on very little sleep, I might add. Haven't had a shave. I've had a few days at home. We're preparing for some overseas guests to come and stay with us next week. So there's a little bit of toing and froing going on in the house at the moment. And actually today is the first day I actually have turned my hi-fi system on and had a listen for nearly 2 weeks, which is an absolute record for me. So what I wanted to talk to you about is that's what I've been listening to. This is the famous record that Charles Kirmuss from Kirmuss Record Restoration has restored. This record, as you saw at the Melbourne Hi-Fi show, and I've put it on my turntable here at home in my room that I know very well. And well, I've recorded 3 shorts of 3 tracks which I'll release at the same time I release this video. You guys have a listen, tell me what you think, and please comment in the short. Let me know what you think. But I can tell you that that record is remarkably improved. Look, it's not perfect, and nor would I think it would be, because you know it's been around the block, this thing. 1982, I bought this when it was new. I was only a kid, and it was one of my very first records actually, and I've had it all this time. It's, you know, has a sentimental value to me because it's one of my very first records back in the early 80s when I was what was I? Probably 12, 11, around that age, and loving music even then. And well, probably I didn't buy it. My mum would have for me. But anyway, that is that record. And on this system, all these years later, it is remarkably improved. It wasn't unplayable, but it was very noisy before, and it just had a real hardness about its presentation. It didn't sound warm and analog sounding. Now it does. Now it's got that first and second order harmonic, as Charles talked about, which gives you that timbre, that realism, that warmth. It's restored that feeling of warmth in the music, and I've listened to it side A, side B, front to back, and I've recorded 3 shorts, and I just wanted to do this video to give you a little update on what's going on. So that's coming up, so there's something for you to watch. I've got another interview that I did with Hey Now Hi-Fi, and I'm going to bring that to you after I get it edited. So that's coming up from the Hi-Fi show. That was interesting. I've got my final thoughts video about the StereoNet Melbourne Hi-Fi show. So in that, I will talk about my best analog room, I will talk about my best digital room, and I will have some honourable mentions for rooms I thought were very good. And then I'll just essentially give you a bit of a talk around some fill-in around just the process to put that Melbourne Hi-Fi show on through with StereoNet. So I'll go into some more detail about that in my final thoughts video, and let you know about all of that. And until then, enjoy these next 3 shorts and tell me what you think. Please comment. I'm really interested to see what you hear down the other end of this whole thing we call YouTube. There's lots coming up soon, and I'll be back with a bigger and a better year in this next 12 months. I hope I can really expand this channel, and with your help, it can be done. So please like the videos if you're enjoying this content, and if you haven't subscribed, all I can ask you to do is please consider giving me your subscription. That proves to me that you like what I'm doing. It's one of the only ways I really get an opportunity to know that. So please consider subscribing to the channel, and let's build this channel. The bigger this channel gets, the harder it is for manufacturers and distributors to not give me gear to review for you. So you build me up, and then I get the clout to be able to get some amazing brands in this room. And I have some really, really, really interesting and exciting news to bring you soon. When it is confirmed, I will have some absolute amazing equipment in this room for review very soon. Can't say anything yet until we lock it in, but I've made some really good contacts at the Melbourne Hi-Fi show this year, and in fact a lot of manufacturers just wanting to give me products. So 12 short months, and how I have grown, and with your help that's happened, because I could not have grown without your support, your love, your wonderful comments. It just makes all of this so worthwhile for me. It makes me want to keep producing content for you. So thanks very much from the bottom of my heart. I could not be more grateful to you all. And let's make year 2 a huge year. And until then, bye for now.